Hey guys. So yeah, sorry about the like I said, it's probably gonna be like this for a bit because it's just way too fucking hot. I really don't feel like having these lights blare down on me. But so aliens created our universe in a lab. Scientists suggest. Is it scientist or scientists? Because it seems like only one scientist is claiming this. Also, aliens created our universe in a lab. You want to know what else recently has been created in a lab? Um, Avi Loeb, astronomy's resident bad boy, suggests the universe may have been created in a laboratory. Okay, where's the secret laboratory? Maybe that's what's at the end of the universe. You know, it's like a boundary, but like you have to open a door and then it's like this giant fucking lab where they open the door and just push everything out. You know, the universe, they have all the stars and the dust and the rocks and this and that, they just shove all that out the door. So that's what's at the end of the universe. um our supposed creators, I'll just say Loeb, I'm guessing it's Loeb, writes an op-ed published in Scientific American last year, may have developed the technology needed to construct baby universes capable of producing life. He also introduces a new classification system for advanced civilizations. Uh, could our universe have been created in a petri dish? Petri dish. Avi Loeb seems to think so. Come on. I mean, there's some things that are somewhat believable, but to think the universe was created in a lab by aliens, come on, come the fuck on. This isn't a fucking sci-fi movie, people. I think this person must have watched too many sci-fi movies. Science fiction theater is not real stuff. Sorry to say. The Harvard. I'm sorry, Harvard. The Harvard posits that a higher class of civilization may have conjured up our universe in a laboratory far, far away. They made it on Tatooine. Because, everything always goes back to Tatooine. Always. It's like Tatooine is the fucking center point of the universe. It's where the Force is the strongest. Since our universe has a flat geometry with zero net energy, an advanced civilization could have developed a technology that created a baby universe out of nothing through quantum tunneling, Loeb writes in an op-ed published for the Scientific last year. This theory he suggests would unite two seemingly opposite notions: the idea that a higher power might be driving our fate, and a secular concept of quantum gravity, a field of physics that seeks to work gravity into the theory of quantum mechanics, something that, to the bane of physicists everywhere, we haven't been able to do yet on Earth. Primarily, this theory hinges on far-off civilizations' advanced civilizations' ability to meld both quantum mechanics and gravity and subsequently identity and recreate all of the universe's ingredients. Sounds like a lot of work. To be honest. He also introduces a new way of classifying exactly what makes a civilization advanced, one that veers away from Soviet astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev's system, which organizes civilizations based on the amount of energy they generate and consume. According to Kardashev, Type 1 civilizations, greetings, Earthlings, are only advanced enough to utilize the starlight that reaches their planet 4 by 10 to 12 power watts, while Type 2 civilizations have mastered the ability to fully harness their host star's power. Dyson Sphere, anyone? See what's with the Type 3 civilizations, the final classification in his framework, are able to harness all of the energy within their galaxy. Loeb, by contrast, has devised a framework that breaks advanced civilizations down in classes based on their ability to reproduce the astrophysical conditions that led to its existence. Earthlings would fall under Class C because, we're fucking stupid. As a low level, we like to shove things up our asses. We're fucking stupid. A low level technological civilization, we would not be able to recreate our current conditions should the sun suddenly die. He suggests we might even fall into Class D because we're actively destroying our only home. Like I said, because humans are fucking stupid. On the other hand, Class B civilizations, Loeb writes, are advanced enough to recreate conditions in which they live, independent of their host. A Class A civilization, like our proposed creators, would be able to, say, generate large amounts of dark energy and, as Loeb suggests, create baby universes, or smaller universes controlled by this higher civilization that could potentially spawn life. He also suggests that due to competition, only one advanced civilization at a time would be able to reach this level of sophistication. It's truly, truly bonkers. It's a truly, truly bonkers idea, but it is interesting to think about. No. Just no. And it brings up a set of intriguing questions. What makes a civilization truly technologically advanced? Are we an advanced simulation? What might this laboratory look like anyway? I'll give you a hint. Nothing, because it doesn't exist. We weren't created in a lab. Alright? Some fucking space station or room or lab in the middle of, or at the end of the universe that has all this stuff to create universe, matter and all that. No. Like I said, this isn't science fiction theater. This, all those fantastical stories about, beings from other worlds and universes and this and that, it's not real. We like to think that they're real sometimes. The multiple universe theory is a good one. Parallel universes, what happens when you go through a wormhole or something like that. They're great theories, but that's really all they are, theories. Trying to hold it back every time I say theory. But we weren't made in the lab. I have a better time believing in multiple universes than I have believing that our universe was made in a lab, in a petri dish. No. I can tolerate a lot of bullshit, but that's no. No. Aliens. Yeah, what do you guys think? Actually, hang on, let me look up this dude. This is the bad boy. He looks like a dad who will give you a serious talking to if you're home late. Now, son, we've told you about this. If you're going to stay out, you need to call us. Ah, shucks, I'm sorry, Dad. Well, it's all right, sport. Just make sure you remember to do it next time. Otherwise, there'll be consequences. John, you're fucking stupid. I know. I also like how all of me fades away almost, except for the hair or my face. Everything else just kind of fading into the back. No, Astronomy's bad boy is this guy. This guy. Now, your mother told you to make sure you wash your hands before dinner. You better do it. Your mama said go wash your hands. Anyways, Yeah, like I said, I don't think we were created in a lab. There are things that have been created in the lab. You know, one in the last couple years or so. Pretty sure we all remember that, but can't say anything about it still. But that stuff's created in a lab. The universe and everything in it, no, I don't think so. But what do you think? Let me know below. You guys know the drill. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.